Okay, so I came back out here to the football stadium pond. Didn't feel very good all weekend, so I didn't ask Coach Bird because it's kind of last minute. Now I feel kind of guilty about it. Sorry, Bird. Just came back out to fish this white Eco Swimbaits, which should work. I haven't had any luck with it yet, but I caught a bunch of bass. Bird and I caught a bunch of bass on spinnerbaits. They were kind of light colored spinnerbaits, so I'm hoping to have similar luck with this here today. Bust right out there, kind of in the middle. That little dude right there. Huh. He never pulled the whole time. I thought he was off several times. Anyway, there we go. Pretty good. I'll take that one. Still there, just like that other one. Craziest fish. Little bitty dude, no wonder I didn't feel him. That other one, I don't understand that one at all. Oh, there's a little dinky. Better no fish. Oh, sorry about slapping on the side there, pal. It's a mystery to me because I don't think I ever had one act just like that. There we go. Little dinkaroo. Almost got you in the eye, fella. Silvery dude. This is what I used to catch out here. One of the reasons I stopped coming is that right there. Well, there's a school of dinks over here. That's the dinkiest one yet. Huh, that fella? I don't know about you, bud. That doesn't seem very smart to me. You get you hungry, you're hungry. That's up over there. Going to catch him or not catch him, I guess. A nice long piece of bacon. Hit right at the bank. Ooh, dude. You were serious about that, weren't you? Tell you what, that little dude hit it and swallowed it all in one motion.